Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using the settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of these, as you can see, is the slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big red button at the center. We can also tap to the right corner button here to adjust some parameters like the speed of our slow motion in FPS, so we can pick from 960, 240 or 120, and the quality of our video between 720 or 1080. So this is how to change this. Now let me stay on these settings and let me start recording to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on this button to see the video. Now let's move to the left to this one. When we tap here, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our video. Let's play it by tapping on the center. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.